Here's the next video for our lesson. So now we are on page 420. Okay, so doing the same thing, making the equation and solving the problem. So it says Sarah baked 48 cookies and gave a dozen cookies to her friend. She put the remaining cookies on plates of 9 cookies each. How many plates did she use? Okay, so here's our equation. She baked 48 cookies and she gave a dozen cookies to her friend. Remember, a dozen equals 12. She put the remaining cookies on plates of 9. So that means we have to divide. Okay, so now we have everything, so let's just solve it. So when you take 48 minus 12, you get 36. And then when you take 36 divided by 9, you get 4. So N equals 4 plates. Okay, next one. Marissa is making floral bouquets. She bought 56 tulips, 73 daisies, and some roses. She bought 153 flowers in all. How many roses did she buy? So this is the equation. She bought 56 tulips, 73 daisies, some other number of roses, and your total is 153. So our first step is to take 56 plus 73, and when you take 56 plus 73, you get 129 plus N equals 153. Okay, now to get N by itself, you're going to have to take 153 minus 129, because remember, we have to minus, since it's positive, from both sides. So when you do that, when you take 153 minus 129, you get 24. So she bought 24 roses. Okay, I know it's a lot to ask, but we've been doing these doing quite a lot of these today. So I would like you to try the last 3. So pause the video, try the last 3, and then when you have finished them, you may come back and I will go over them and you can check your answers. Okay, you should have done 8, 9, and 10. So now I'm going to do them and I want you to check your work to see if you got them right. So Tom has 103 photos on his digital camera. He deletes 33 photos. He prints the remaining photos and puts an equal number on each page of an album that has 10 pages. How many photos are on each page? So here is the equation that you should have made. He had 103 photos, he deleted 33, and then he divides what's left and puts those photos on 10 pages equally. So what you need to do is first you need to take 103 and you need to minus 33 from it. And when you do that, you get 70. So now we have 70 divided by 10, which then when you do 70 divided by 10, you get 7. So there were 7 photos on each page. Okay. Number 9, Leo bought 6 sets of books. Each set had the same number of books. He donated 11 books to the school library. Now he has 37 books left. How many books were in each set of the books? So we have Leo bought 6 sets of books. He donated, each set had the same number of books. We don't know how many. He donated 11 of these books to the school library. Now he only has 37 books. Okay, so our first step is to get rid of the 11 and put it on this side. So when you take 37 minus 11, you get 26. So now we have 6 times N equals 26. Okay, I just realized I made a huge mistake. You are not minusing 11, you are adding 11, because this is a negative. So you are adding 11 to the 37 side, which now makes it 48. I'm so sorry I made that mistake. So now you have 6 times N equals 48. To get N by itself, you have to divide 6 on both sides. So you'll end up taking 48 divided by 6. And when you take 48 divided by 6, you get 7. So there were 7 books. Okay. I don't have time for the last one, so I am just going to leave us with this. I will show you it really fast. You should have done 5 times 9 minus N equals 37. You would have taken 5 times 9, which equals 45. You would have brought this N over here to make it positive. You would have minus 37 over here, and you would have gotten 8 pieces. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, go do your homework. Happy Thursday!